Hi guys, with another video. This is the what let's read together. Aurora paper shredder right here. Today we're gonna open it and see the inside. Let's go ahead and this is screwdriver is so thick. Let me bring the thinner one. Hold on a minute. I'll just pause now. Okay, here you are. This is the one I'm gonna use it now. This is a little thinner. Hopefully it will work. I hope so. Let's go ahead. Take it out, this too. Actually, I'm okay, losing the screw a little bit. This is done. This side, let's go ahead. Come on. Oh, I think. Wow. Let me pause again. Okay, I think as I lose all those screws. Let it pull it. This is the guy right there. What is this? Is it switch? Yeah, switch. And let's go ahead and look inside. Here we are. This is the inside. Oh, this is the old sharper one. It's cut the paper, shredder the paper. And this is the motor, engine, that. Let me take it out. This electronic things board right there. One by one, let me take it out. I'm not gonna use it anymore, so this is the fun. So take it out, all the electronic stuff, and check it inside and see that how they made it. So just getting the idea. I like to learn. Oh, this is the switch. Okay, this is gone. All right, there you are. Okay, let me. What else I can take it out? This is the one I can take it out. If I can. Right. I don't know what for this. Good to know. If somebody knows what is this, please let me know. Okay, this is the. Okay, let me take this out. Let's see what is gonna come out. Okay. I can use this now. One screws, two screws. Right. Three. Let's see how many. Here, 3, 4. Almost there. Oh, nice screw. Maybe I might use it. Okay, 2 more here. This is, I think, is it shorter? No. Okay, this is gone. There you are. All right, now these are the guy. Look at this. wheels. Alright, second wheel. Okay, let's take it out. This guy too. This is the, I think it's motor. Let's take it out. One, two, and three. Yeah. And yeah. This is gone too. Okay, this is the one. So, okay, this is the one that makes everything smooth and cuts the paper. Yeah, this is helps to cut. Actually, this is cut, but this is the main power. Okay, I got this. All right, now what is? Well, we can take it out more. Okay, this is the one. We can take it out. This is good. Oppa. Okay. Oh, look at this. Easily came up. What else? Oh, this is too. Look at this. What else? Alright, this is two. Alright, now what else is gonna come out? This two screw. I don't know what's next. This is one. Two screws comes up. And then, ta-da! There's, oops, that's gone. And this guy comes. Alright. Okay, let me take this screw too. Right. Okay, that's done. Oh no, I have to take it this too. Alright, one is gone. Second here. The other way. Alright. There's two. It's not coming. One. I think this is gonna come off too. Okay. Oh, it doesn't come. And we can break it, yeah. So this is comes out. Okay, now it's ta-ta. Ah, that's got so sharp. This is the plastic that the sharper things goes inside. Wow, I cannot even hold mine with my hand. Too sharp. Ooh-la. I don't know what I need to do. Anyway, I can hold from side. Ooh, it's coming off. Look at this. Oh, look at that. Oh, maybe I can. Oh, it comes. Oh, look at it. Oh my God. Should. Wow. Mamma mia. Look at this. All sharper things. Whoa. Let's get this too. If I can. Okay, it's gone. Here you are. This is. Yeah. Look at this, man. Here you are. Here you are. This is the left. Okay, guys. This is it. This is the all about. What was it? There's Acura paper shatter. This is the guy right there. Nah, nothing inside. Okay, hopefully you liked this video. Please subscribe and see you soon with another video. Bye bye.